Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well in this pandemic situation. I am heartily welcome to you all on our new YouTube channel to share my knowledge with you. Through this channel, I am going to cover the subjects of commerce field. So today I will start with basics of accounting. Without any further delay, let's get started. So, the first question which generally arises in our mind is what is accounting is all about? As per R.N. Anthony, as you can see on the screen, a means of collecting, summarizing, analyzing and reporting in monetary terms information about business refers to accounting. As per American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof is known as accounting. So from these two definitions, we finally reach to the point that accounting is a tool which helps us to record every transactions which are of financial nature and then classifying it on the basis of their different nature and then interpreting their results. So what is the meaning of classifying here is grouping of transactions of same nature at one place. So here we end with the definition part. Now onwards, I want to tell you that whenever we study accounting subjects, three terms comes in our mind. First is bookkeeping, second accounting, and the third is accountancy. These three are sometimes considered as synonymous in the layman term, that is having the same meaning, but these are having fundamentally differences amongst these three. So here I am going to discuss it one by one. Now bookkeeping, as you see on the screen, to maintain systematic records of transactions of financial nature, and at primary stage there is bookkeeping. So what is the main function of bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is routine and clerical in nature. It is performed by junior staff and it can be performed by persons having limited level of knowledge. So here we can say bookkeeping is only recording the transaction in a systematic manner that is of financial nature. Now when we come to accounting, it totally depends on bookkeeping. It means accounting is secondary in stage and it starts where bookkeeping ends, because here some other functions also come, that is recording, classifying and summarizing of transaction. So now accountancy, it is much wider in scope of above two which we have been discussed. It includes a decision making function also on the basis of information provided by above two, body of knowledge prescribing certain rules or principles to be observed while recording, classifying and summarizing of transactions, that is known as accountancy. I hope now you all are aware about the major differences between these three terms. Now we are going to discuss about the need for accounting. So, what is the need for accounting? At the end of each year or after a certain time period, everyone wants to know how much they have gained or lost during the year, how much capital is invested in the business, how much amount they are liable to pay, and many more things. So in order to attain such information, it is essential to keep a complete and systematic record of each and every transaction, to calculate profit or loss at the end of certain period of time, to ascertain the financial position of the business, to provide informations to various users which will ultimately help to reach to certain decisions. So here I have done with the basics of accounting. I hope you will find it useful. I am going to explore this subject in my upcoming videos. For the upcoming videos, Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.